Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this file, and for the one I'm doing it for, I've reduced it in size, and I went up to bitmap, converted it to a grayscale bitmap, and then I double checked the resample, and it's 300, which is good, but it doesn't trace good because you can see it's going to start off bad. First of all, Corel does not trace text very good, and this has some interference. The text can be reprinted or redrawn with that looks like Arial, and that you'll just have to find the text, and you could possibly get it off the internet. I'm going to do this in at least 2 videos, so we're going to set our nudge factor on like 2 inches, and I'm going to make a duplicate of it so I always have it. And then I'm going to take this one, I'm going to trace bitmap, outline trace clip art. It's just not going to trace. We can even bump up the detail a little bit. But here's our new trace version. And you can just see it kind of rounds out the text. The building is terrible. And the logo is unusable. So I've already done this part of the logo. A lot of times when you have somebody give you something like this, go and search California Alliance for Caregivers logo, and then go to Tools, type large, and it's going to come up with like large logos. And you might even, be able to take this one. This one particularly doesn't say the size, but I'm going to right click and copy image. And I'm going to go back to Corel, and I'm going to right click and paste the image. And there it is, and it's huge. So I'm going to go ahead and reduce it in size. We might even be able to trace this, font, but we're really just going after that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a copy of it, and I'm going to grab this, and I'm going to crop out. First of all, you see the bounding box is big. There's something back there, it's white. With it selected, and you need to have it selected or all your other work will go away, crop out that picture. Then go up to bitmap or trace, outline, trace, clip art, and you get this. Now I am going to left click, right click, and I'm going to take black and I'm going to fill in the black. There's that logo, about as good as you can get it. We could maybe work on the fingers a little bit, but depending on how big this is going to be, it's not going to be probably detected. So that's what I would do first. I would look for their logo in a larger format. The building is a little bit more not as good, but it can be done. So stay tuned for part 2, and we'll do the Capitol building. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.